Iconic cocktails of New Mexico. 1. Margarita. According to Google search data, the margarita is the most popular cocktail in New Mexico, cementing its status as a perennial favorite. The state takes this classic up a notch with creative versions like the prickly pear margarita, made with tequila, lime juice, prickly pear syrup from native cactus, and triple sec. 2. Paloma. Another tequila-based favorite, the Paloma, with tequila and grapefruit soda, is also highly searched and beloved in New Mexico. 3. Chimayo cocktail. A true local legend, created in 1965 by Arturo Jaramillo at Rancho de Chimayo, this signature drink blends tequila, apple cider, lemon juice, and creme de cassis for a sweet, tart, and slightly fruity flavor. 4. Prickly pear and green chili creations. Regional flair shines in drinks like the prickly pear margarita, mentioned earlier in the video, and the green chili Bloody Mary, which combines vodka, tomato juice, hot sauce, and green chili peppers for a distinctly new Mexican kick. 5. Lavender gin sour and other local mixes. The lavender gin sour is a smooth, aromatic blend of gin, lavender syrup, lemon juice, and egg white, highlighting New Mexico's agricultural nuance and craft cocktail scene. Other standout cocktails from local mixologists include aguamiel, reposado tequila, elderflower liqueur, muddled cucumber, lime juice. Defiance, Taos lightning rye with blood orange liqueur and bitters. Peach shrub, local peaches, bourbon, apple cider vinegar, and soda. Mezcal Negroni, mezcal swap-in for gin in a classic Negroni. Thai basil gimlet, hacienda gin, lime cordial, and basil.